Am I a fantastic university professor? Who are you?
I used to think you needed a physical classroom, but what you really need as a teacher is a space where minds can meet. Learn from each other. That's Lark. You can create announcements. Chat with everyone. Hey guys.
Hey!
Hey, Professor!
With Lark, I can just link the class material right in the calendar event. No excuses. Welcome to today's seminar. Let me share today's documents.
If you want, you can scroll at your own pace.
And if any of my students need me, they can always pop into my virtual office.
Hey, I had a quick question.
Well, it was you, wasn't it?
What?
What?